Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 of gluing an axe head. We're gonna go ahead and sharpen that dude up tonight. Turned out pretty good after we oiled it last night, let her sit. I'm gonna try something new. We're gonna time lapse, make this a short video. I'll jump in once in a while when I think we need to and tell you what's going on. So let's get at it. The guy actually turned out really nice. Looks much better after sitting all night. A little WD-40 on it. Set everything up. Might be one of the better heads I've blued, so we'll sharpen that dude up, polish it out, make an axe out of it. Oh yeah, just thought of something. Dana's gonna be out here turning, making a little noise. Don't mind her. And we're gonna start, because that little head is in pretty good shape. We're gonna start with 40 grit, go to 80 grit. We'll probably jump to 150, then we'll polish. I'll let you know in the video. So I just watched that video. That was fast. That's all right. I actually went up to 220. I went one grade further than I thought I would. So we went to 220. We'll go ahead and put the buffer to it, see where we get. Polish her out.
Talk
Okay, so that was an experiment in time-lapse photography. A lot of axe work is just super repetitive, and it gets boring if you're just watching it, I'm sure. So let me know in the comments what you thought. That was a half hour's worth of grinding that went by like that, but like I say, it's all the same. So we ended up with a pretty nice finish. It's dang sharp. If you can see the imperfections in these axe heads when you do it this way, this side, it's got a little wider polish job on it than this side. But if you look this way, hey, look, see, I got help. You can, all right, we need to work on our sign language. It's pretty even. The profile's pretty even in the sharpening job, even though it looks different as far as where we came back into our bluing. And you can see here there's some bumpies. Yeah, they're just, hey, it is what it is. If you did this with a file, it'd take a lot longer and you'd get just as good a job. Some people are going to tell you better. You watch me shave my arm with that. That turkey's sharp, and I'll guarantee you can strike a lot of wood with that and it's not going to get dull. Now you hit a rock, that's another story. Or the floor in the hobby room. That doesn't help them any at all. But a few things I wanted to mention since we did that time-lapse thing. If the head has a marking on it, I always start grinding on that side so that I know how many times I've flipped the head. If I start on the marked side, I know I got to finish on the unmarked side. As far as the reason I went up to 220, I knew that belt was a little stiffer, and I was going to try to get this edge to look a little more even as far as where the bluing's at. But I really didn't want to hit up here on the eye part, because man, that makes it looks terrible. You just knock the bluing off and you kind of got to start over. So hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments, you know, if you like the time-lapse thing. I think it looks better than going fast, you know, doing the post-edit speed up. So maybe on something that takes a little longer, it'd work better. We'll figure it out. Got a couple new subscribers. Got a couple just since the last video. Appreciate it, guys. David, John Arnett, we got hooked up. John subscribed to the channel. Appreciate it, man. Had a good time talking with Mr. Arnett on the phone. He seems like a very, very good dude. Glad to have met him. Thanks for getting us together, Kenny. Oh, by the way, Mama Taz, man stuff! I did man stuff! I didn't go get my hair did. What's that?
I was going to say, and I did crafty things.
And she did crafty things, and I heard him in there, and the whole time I was grumbling because it wasn't man stuff. Hey, I love you guys. I love the way we're starting this new year out, at least the way I am. I'm going into it with a better attitude. You know, hey, you guys go out and get you some. Sharpen an axe. Maybe blue it. It's a good time. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Be kind.